Okay, we are at 15, and as you can see, I took the liberty of transposing it from horizontal form into vertical form all by myself because I figured you know how to do it now and you don't really need to watch me do it. But at this point, what can we conclude? Let's just read through it. Either P or Q. If P, then A arrow B. Remember, that's a thing. If Q, then A arrow B. B arrow C, but not C. A arrow D, therefore not D. What do you think? Read down these premises and identify where you can first conclude something. Take them as they come. Figure out what you can conclude and decide if it's a valid inference or an invalid inference that takes you there. Pause the video, think for a bit, come back when you're ready. Okay. Now, there are different ways of doing this. I mean, you might have wanted to say, oh, look, if B then C and not C, I can conclude not B. You, in fact, can. And there's nothing really wrong with doing that. If you were to take a course in symbolic logic, they wouldn't care in what order you put these things together. And frankly, I don't really either, except I want this to be a skill set that can closely mirror the process of reading English. And when you read English, you will probably be putting the claims together in the order in which you encounter them. In which case, I want us to start from the top and work our way down and take them in that order. So P or Q. If P, then A arrow B. Can I conclude something there? No. What if I add if Q, then A arrow B? Can I conclude something then? Yes. I can conclude A arrow B with a simple dilemma, so it's valid. A arrow B, B arrow C. By the way, notice I kind of naturally say A arrow B instead of if A then B. There's really nothing wrong with thinking about it as an arrow, but please never lose track of what it means. That means if A then B, if B then C. Can I conclude something there? Pause the video, think for a bit, come back when you're ready. Can I? Because the back part matches the front part, we can stick those things together with hypothetical syllogism and validly infer if A, then C. Doesn't matter if there's a space there, I just wanted it to be neat. There we go. If A, then C, but the opposite of C, not C. What can I conclude at this point, and can I get it validly? Pause the video, think for a bit, come back when you're ready. Can you conclude something? What can you conclude? Not A. Is that valid? Sure is. That's modus tollens. If front then back, therefore opposite front. Ta-da! So, can I now conclude therefore not D? Think about that for a bit. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. Can I? Well, let me see. If front, then back, the opposite of the front, therefore the opposite of the back. That does not work. That is the fallacy of negating the antecedent. If poodle, then dog, not poodle, not dog, nope. St. Bernard's. Okay, invalid is 15. Only one left. I'll catch you at 16.